Hello and welcome to Study 10M, and today we will be exploring the basics of world geography. In previous lesson we learned primary wind movement, secondary wind movement and tertiary wind movement, and today we will learn clouds. Clouds are a mass of small water droplets or tiny ice crystals. There are four groups of clouds: high clouds 6,000 meter to 12,000 meter, middle clouds 2,100 meter to 6,000 meter, low clouds below 2,100 meter. Clouds of great vertical extent 1500 to 9000 meter. Types of clouds: high clouds, middle clouds, low clouds, great vertical extent. High clouds. Cirrus. Cirrus composed of small ice crystals, white, wispy and fibrous in appearance. Cirrocumulus composed of ice crystals but globular or rippled in appearance. Middle clouds. Altocumulus composed of water droplets in layers and patches. Altostratus composed of water droplets forming sheets of grey or watery looking clouds. Low clouds. Stratocumulus, large globular masses, bumpy looking, soft and grey in appearance, forming a pronounced regular and sometimes wavy pattern. Nimbostratus, dark grey and rainy looking, dense and shapeless, often gives continuous rains. Great vertical extent. Cumulus, round topped and flat based, forming a whitish grey globular mass, consists of individual clouds units. Cumulonimbus, they have great vertical extent, white or black globular masses whose rounded tops often spread out in the form of anvil. It is characterized by convectional rain, lightning and thunder. Precipitation. Convectional rainfall. It occurs due to thermal convection currently caused due to insulational heating of ground surface. Frontal rainfall. It occurs due to upward movement of air caused by convergence of cold air masses against warm air masses. Cyclonic rainfall. When the air is caused to rise upward due to cyclonic circulation, the resulting precipitation is called cyclonic rainfall. Climate. Weather refers to the sum total of the atmospheric conditions in terms of temperature, pressure, wind moisture, cloudiness, precipitation and visibility. Wild climate type. Climatic zone, climatic type, rainfall, natural vegetation. Equatorial zone 0 degree to 10 degree north and south, hot wet equatorial, rainfall all the year, equatorial rainforest. Hot zone 10 degree to 30 degree north and south, tropical monsoon, tropical marine, heavy summer rain 60 inches, monsoon forest. Southern type. Rain mainly in summer 70 inches, savanna tropical grassland. Desert type, Saharan type, mid latitude type, little rain 5 inches, desert vegetation crop. Warm temperature zone. Western margin Mediterranean type, winter rain 35 inches, Mediterranean forests. Central continental type, steppe type, light summer rain 20 inches, steppe temperature grassland. Eastern margin China type, Gulf type, natal type. Heavier summer rain 45 inches, warm wet forest and bamboo. Cool temperate zones are 45 degree north to 65 south. Western margin rain in autumn and winter 30 inches, deciduous forest. Central continental light summer rain 25 inches, coniferous forest. Eastern margin moderate rain 40 inches, mixed forest, coniferous and deciduous. Arctic or polar very light summer rain 10 inches, tundra moisture. Mountain climate, heavy rainfall variable, alpine fawn, coniferous. Forests. They are of the following types: tropical evergreen rainforest, tropical semi-deciduous forest, temperate mixed forest, coniferous forest or taiga, tundra forests, mountainous forests. Tropical evergreen rainforests, such as forests, are found in the equatorial and the tropical regions with more than 200 centimeters annual rainfall. The leaves of trees in such forests are very wide examples of redwood, palm, etc. Tropical semi-deciduous forests, such as forests, receives rainfall less than 150 centimeters. Sawan, sal, bamboo, etc. are found in such forests. Temperate mixed forests. Such forests are a mixture of trees and shrubs, corks, oak, etc. are the major trees of these forests. Coniferous forests or triga. These are evergreen forests. The trees in these forests have straight trunk, conical shape with relatively short branches and small needle-like leaves. Example, pine, fir, etc. Tundra forest. Such forests are covered with snow. Only moishes, a few sledges and lynches grow here in summer. Mountainous forest vegetation varies according to altitude. Famous grasslands of the world: steppe, Eurasia, and other grasslands of the world. You can have a glance on it. Hydrosphere. Oceans. There are four oceans in order of their size. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. It is the deepest ocean with an average depth of 4,200 meters. The Mariana Trench is the world's deepest trench, with a depth of 11,033 meters. Most of the islands of these oceans are of volcanic or coral origin. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean has the longest coastline. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. Atlantic Ocean was formed millions of years ago when a rift opened up in the Gondwana land and the continents of South America and Africa separated. The separation continues even today, and the Atlantic Ocean is still widening. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is deeper than the Atlantic Ocean. It contains numerous continental islands. Madagascar and Sri Lanka are being the largest ones. Some of the islands of volcanic origin are those of Mauritius, Andaman and Nicobar, Seychelles, Maldives, and Lakshadweep are of coral origin. Arctic Ocean. It lies within the Arctic Circle, hence the name Arctic Ocean. The North Pole lies in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. Most of the parts of the Arctic Ocean remain frozen with thick ice for most of the days every year. It is the shallowest of all oceans with an average depth of 1,500 meters. It has lower salinity than all other oceans. Trenches and the locations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Study 10M for more exciting geography lessons. Thanks for watching. And if you have any question, then comment below.